If you want to delete a YouTube playlist inside N8N, I'll show you the quickest way to add the right YouTube node and configure it properly. This is a simple workflow change, but it can save you time if you're automating YouTube tasks and need to remove playlists without doing it manually in YouTube Studio. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and to subscribe for more N8N tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your N8N workflow and go to the Nodes panel. On the left side, you'll see the list of available nodes, and from here you want to search for YouTube. Type YouTube into the search bar so you can find the official YouTube node faster. Once it appears, click it to add it to your workflow canvas. After adding the node, the next step is to choose the correct operation. In this case, you want to select Delete a Playlist. This tells N8N that your workflow should target a YouTube playlist and remove it instead of creating or updating content. Make sure you are on the correct action before moving forward, because choosing the wrong operation will change what the node does. Now, it's time to configure the node by giving it the required details. Usually, that means connecting your YouTube account first if it is not already connected. Then fill in the playlist information the node asks for, such as the playlist ID or any other required field shown in the configuration panel. Be careful to enter the exact details for the playlist you want to delete, because this action is permanent. Once the details are added, double-check everything before you run the workflow. Make sure the account connection is correct, the playlist information is accurate, and the Delete a Playlist option is selected. This step is important because N8N will use the values you provide to carry out the action on YouTube. After that, you can test the node or execute the workflow to confirm that it works as expected. If everything is set up correctly, N8N will delete the selected YouTube playlist for you, and that's it. You've added a YouTube node in N8N, chosen Delete a Playlist, and configured it with the necessary details. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.